Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2714th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Thank you for tuning in. Much appreciated, kids. Hey, this video is coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading, Wednesday night through Thursday. That would be February 20 leap year 2024. It's February 29th. It's a leap year. Congratulations to all you leap year birthdays out there. So remember, trading is risky. Never trade without putting in stops, protective stops. Put them in first before you ever enter into a live position. All right, so traders, I did a webinar, a live webinar on Tuesday. In that live webinar, I did basically a presentation on specific stocks and ETFs that you could use to make money in the AI revolution. That has been recorded, and the link will be below this video. So link below if you want to watch that recorded webinar. And if you would like that, just click that link and you can watch that. But in this video, so that link's below, in this video, we're going to look at something interesting that's going on. In fact, let's get rid of this for now. It'll come into play in a few moments. So what do we have? You've got the NASDAQ daily bar. OMNI is red. This is going to be a question and answer video, so be prepared to answer a question in this video. The OMNI's red, telling us we need to sell rallies. NASDAQ has had a double top and started reacting to that double top. That reaction brought us right here to a support level that only was breached for a day here, then went right back above. On this day it settled. So on this day it actually settled above the green line, not breached. Breached for one day here where it actually settled below the green line, not breached, and then it took off. Okay. Here it held, it started here. So the geometry here, you have your trend line, held, almost held again, almost got hit and held, did get hit and held, and now it's getting hit again. Now, is this a bull flag too? I mean, I don't know. Is this a bull flag right here? So, possible bull flag, which would be bullish. The OMNI is red, which is bearish, wants us to sell rallies. We're at possible geometry support, which is an interesting place for Wall Street to decide what to do next. Well, that's your NASDAQ. We've got to make a decision for what we want to do on Wednesday night for Thursday. So here's one chart. What do you think we should do there, kids? Hold your answer for a moment. Second chart in the loop. Now let's go pull that average back out for you. Second chart in the loop is this one, and if you ask me, we know this chart. We have had several do or die areas, or a do or die moment with this transportation average and this moving average. So, do or die moment, it held. Do or die moment, it held. Do or die moment, it did not, and it died. Went back above, do or die moment. We are at one now. So your NASDAQ is at support, possibly, with a red OMNI pointing down, and maybe in a bull flag, we don't know. Transportation average is testing this line, settled below it, clearly. Settled below the average. But it usually holds when it gets here. All right, so now we've still got to make a decision. Are we buying or selling tomorrow? Or I should say Wednesday night into Thursday. We still have to decide what to do as day traders. So one more chart that comes into the mix. And that is the E-mini S&P, which also has a red OMNI, which might have a bull flag and is sitting on support, which has held, if I grab one of these little ellipses here, it has held here and here, just about hit there and here, and started all the way back there. So it creates the supporting line, Almost gets there. Boom, hits it. Just about hits it. Each time it holds. Held. Held. Here it is. What are we supposed to do? So here is the question, kids. What should we do? If you don't mind, answer right below this video. Answer with A, let's hurry up and wait. Or B, we should go short because the Omni signal is red. And if the Omni says go short, we should go short. What should we do? Hurry up and wait. A. B, go short. So you've seen the evidence. There's more. Guess what else comes out tomorrow morning? The PCE, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Indicator. This happens to be the Fed's favorite indicator. It comes out 8:30 Thursday morning. Did they run this market down? Now let's remove all the voodoo. Did they run the market down for the report? Then the report comes out and it holds and goes up. That's even the S&P look. PCE is coming out. NASDAQ. Do you think if we remove the voodoo, do you think that they just dropped it down to the support for the PCE to come out in the morning? Take it right back up? Is it a Wall Street play? Now you've got all the information you need for us to go here. What should we do? Please answer the question below. Traders, what will you do? What should we do as a group? A, hurry up and wait. Let us get the signal, then do something about it. Or B, go short, get out quickly, and sidestep the market. What should we do? Please answer that question. Make sure you do that right now. Answer below, A or B. And then at least we'll have a grouping before the report comes out tomorrow morning at 8:30, and we'll see which one of us are right. So please make your choice. Hurry up and wait. Or B, go short, take your profits, and see what happens next. Get out of the market's way. Thank you for tuning in, traders. Please be careful out there. Remember, 8:30 is the PCE number. I will tell you this, if you are going to trade, do not let numbers coming out in the morning reports scare you. When the Omni gives us a trade setup, I take that trade setup in front of any report practically at all, except for a Fed report, and I won't trade grains in front of the WASDE report. Barring that, I don't care what reports are coming out, I will put my orders in and just let the markets do their thing. The Omni is red, and I'm supposed to be taking a short trade in S&P, NASDAQ, or Russell, and I usually stick to my Omni. But what will you do? What should we do as a crowd? Thank you for tuning in. Make sure that you have already subscribed to these videos. Like and share them around the internet. And remember, stop sorting. Emotions are rock and roll, traders, all of that. And I swear to you, I haven't slept a moment since yesterday. Stayed up straight through the evening trading. Has been up all day today through the close. Did my analysis and put this video out for you. It appears I'm stuck on, kids. I might be up for another day. I don't know. Anyway, take a look at the video and join me at livewithoscar.com.